Oh, you would think by you not fucking with people and by you not bothering nobody that everything would be okay. That they would be the main kind of people to just want to go and do their job and over with. But as you can see, the centerpoint truck gone. And they gone from right here. I don't know what the hell is going on, but all I can say is, please, get y'all shit together. Because like I say, ain't nobody paying shit. She's talking about, oh, it's not the refrigerator, it's the lights. It's the lights. And I told her, I say, this motherfucking man just sat there and said that y'all gonna basically, I have to pay Centerpoint, or either I'm gonna have to pay y'all. If Centerpoint come out, I have to pay. I'm not paying nobody. Y'all goddamn day long. I'm not. Because it's not my motherfucking fault the lights went off and I don't pay y'all. Turn them. I'm trying to suck the seeds out of a tomato. I sucking the tomato up. No. Hell no. You don't do that shit. And like I say, I'm not doing it either. I got shit I need to do. Like I say, I'm finna run a damn car. And I gotta do it. Like, it is what it is. What is this? Victoria's Secret. Falstall Oregon. Nothing. I say, this just don't make no... I'm here real quick and then later because I'm hot as hell. Get some chips. Something always better than nothing. I just came from the store. I don't want to walk back, but I will if I have to. My fucking feet hurt and shit. It's just fucked up how shit happens over here. Like y'all see, ain't nobody right there. Ain't nobody over here. Ain't nobody working on nothing. Ain't nobody doing nothing. So, and the centerpoint truck gone. The centerpoint truck gone. And they not out there. You want me to go to the store or you want me to go to...
If you want to, up to you.
Cause
you feel like that?
I'm hot. But
I know you're hot.
You want me to go to the store? I could left this open. You go to her and see if they there.
They gone? They probably gone.
They truck out there.
I don't know if it's up to you. You feel like that?
I'll go try there first. I could have set this in here.
Set it down there, baby. Set it down in the water.
See your ice right here?
Oh, shit. Ooh, look at that ice, man. I'm peeping.
You want to eat this one? Look at that.
When they did this here, they thing went on up there.
What thing?
Upstairs. And this is about damn time. Just lay it that way.
It's not going to go.
That cup.
That's okay. It's not going to go down.
You put some ice in the cup. I can put some ice in there.
You going to open it. I can eat it. Huh?
You see?
I'll be right back. I'm going to try to boil you some coffee. Want to leave it open?
Yeah.
Shit is hot as fuck. Two big, wide-bodied. I'm gonna chase them down. You're gonna see me running back and forth between here quick. I'm gonna be getting it with the quickness. Out of it. Yeah, but that's the refrigerator. They was like, well, I'm gonna fix this one. Yeah, you still need to send another motherfucking refrigerator, bitch. That's all I'm saying. Send another motherfucking refrigerator. But yeah. That's what I'm saying. Hopefully these people's here. But yeah, I'm finna end this right here. I'll pick it up in a few because I need to make a phone call.